install a keyboard called TouchPal. So with this keyboard, it allows you to change the theme of it. Don't ask why I've got that as my photo, but you can change the theme or you can customise it with your own stuff. So let me just take a picture of something random. You can also choose from your gallery. There we go. Random, boom, there you go. Use the photo. And there we go, if I go in here, wait for it to load, it'll open up the keyboard and you can change the transparency. I find it's really cool. I usually have it around here so I can sort of still see the keyboard. And now we'll move, now we'll move into the actual thing itself, so how it handles. So the first thing you should know, it does have a couple of crash errors, like keyboard crash, like you could be using it one time, but then it'll instantly switch to the other one, but I did that purposefully. So it has swipe features, so if I say, right, this is a great keyboard, as you can see, there you go, that's how good it is. It also has predictive, which is cool. If you guys don't know how to actually install it, like use it properly, you download it, open it once, then go into your settings. If your settings load up, go into general, go to keyboard, tap keyboards, and you should go add new keyboard, and it should be around here instead of your languages, and then, oh, what the hell, Cherokee, nope, and then you add it, and you tap on it, and then allow full access. Don't worry, they can't steal your passwords, because when you type in a password, it comes up with the standard one that you get. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye!